Hey everybody, welcome to Woodness Goodness. I am Graham, your online friend, companion, cousin, uncle, brother, whoever you want me to be. I'm your guy, and I'm here for you because this has been a hard year. So I am out here building a cabin. Not only because I enjoy doing it, but because you guys enjoy watching it for some crazy reason. I love it. Thank you so much. If you like building cabins, or want to build a cabin, or want to watch someone like myself struggle to build a cabin, be sure to like, subscribe, and watch all 50 episodes of me going through this thing. Enough jibber jabber, let's get into it, and let's get after it. I've had this pressure treated for a while because I don't think you're supposed to paint fresh pressure treated. So anyhow, it's dry, it's good to go. We're gonna paint the trim around the windows and be very careful. I'll put some painter's tape on this side. Hey guys, Graham here. It's been raining for days. It means I can't really do outside work around the cabin. So while I do work around my house to get water away from my house and make sure my gutters are all flowing correctly, I'm gonna film some of this beautiful rain footage for you guys. Some of you guys already requested this, but maybe this is some anxiety and stress reliever for you. Stay dry, stay safe, and enjoy. It stopped raining for 2 days. First day, I was busy. Second day, I guess is kind of today. But it's gonna start raining again in a couple hours. So they say. I mean, I don't know about you, but I think the weatherman is a gambling man. I'm not much of a gambler. And honestly, I think it's a joke. It's kind of sick to gamble on the weather, something so serious, something that can affect all of our days so dramatically. And to just gamble, just throw out guesses,
it's gonna rain, it's gonna have a 40% chance, that 70% chance that the rain might fall, that could be 100%, but it's a 20% guess that there could be 60% humidity in the air at 3 p.m. 100% not gonna happen.
Makes me sick. So anyhow, I'm gonna give you guys the satisfaction of watching me peel off the painter's tape. And then we're gonna keep trying to paint before it rains. Whoops. One piece at a time. All right guys, before we get any further along in this video, let's talk about this video's sponsor, NordVPN. When you're on a public wireless internet connection, whether it be a coffee shop, your buddy's igloo, the library, the bookstore, the post office, well, data hackers can come in there and take your credit card information. They can take all kinds of browsing history and sell information. We don't even know what's going on. I don't even know what's going on. And that's why I trust NordVPN to protect my internet connection when I am in fact using the interwebs. You're transferring data all the time without you realizing it, people. This is what happens, and this is what NordVPN protects. Bonus feature is that you can hook yourself up with online programming and TV shows and sports shows and all kinds of stuff that you can't access in your country. Things get better. They're giving you guys a Black Friday discount right meow. If you use the link in the description below, you will get 68% off, and know that NordVPN is the standard. They're the crème de la crème, okay? Don't take any more chances. Get yourself NordVPN. Thank you, NordVPN, for sponsoring this video, and maybe we can do this again sometime. Let's get back to the video. Da 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 da. Guys, I ordered 2 custom lights. Boom. It will have 2 bulbs and 2 globes around it. It'll look incredible. We're gonna put these 2 up there, and then I have a light that is on its way over here this week. But these are all made in the US of A, and they're gonna look great. I went with an antique brass finish, because why not, you know? I think it'll look kind of nice in the cabino. So, let's get these set up and see how they look. All right, guys, here we have a perfect example of a semi-professional amateur. He started recording this whole sequence before he realized that this was actually going to take him longer than expected. So I'm going to cut him short, and why don't we just go ahead and show you what the lights look like installed, so we stop wasting my time and your time. Because as you may or may not have realized or learned in the last episode, time is money, and time is valuable. So, thanks for watching, but we're gonna go ahead and skip over this guy. Thank you. These are kind of cool because you can go flat with them, which is kind of fun. Or you can drop them vertically, like so. Let's try that for now. Gotta do the other one. So if you're wondering why it might not be centered with the windows, well, it's because I wanted to center it within the room. So they're basically split down the middle of the cabin and an equal amount apart of the end walls and between each other. That's why. And basically I used the beams as a determining factor of kind of where the lights were gonna sit. Obviously these Edison bulbs, I mean these ones are kind of tinted, or they're typically a very orange light, warm. But I think it's gonna work in here, I do. Really do. But obviously changing out a bulb is not that hard to do. Alright, let's check it out, baby. Here goes nothing. These are properly sweet. These look awesome. So I'm gonna link these lights in the description below. I bought them myself, full price. I didn't get sponsored or anything like that. But these lights are phenomenal. You can get them in all different shapes, colors, etc., etc. As I said, I went with the antique bronze finish, which ties in once again these beams, which looks awesome. And they have a warmth about them. I didn't want white or black. I wanted it to have some kind of warmish vibe. And guess what? It worked out real good. I think I'm just gonna become an interior designer after this. Okay, well, I'm still waiting for my center chandelier piece. I might go outside and take a look at the trim now that it's dried and have a gander if it needs a second coat. Hopefully it doesn't. And then that means basically the exterior's done. Mwah! Mwah! Guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Hope you liked it. We are this freaking close, baby. We are so close to getting this cabin done, and I'm pumped. We're waiting on the chandelier, we're waiting on the flooring, and then we're just putting baseboard down, and she done. Now it does need a staircase. We're eventually gonna build a bathroom shower thing outdoors, but we have to wait for certain things because Graham has to plan for these things because Graham doesn't want to make as many mistakes as he has in the past. Because what's a mistake unless you learn from it? So Graham's learning and you're gonna learn with him. Right now we're learning patience. I hope you guys enjoy the energy of this episode. I'm fired up and I'm ready to go. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Auf Wiedersehen. Salut. Adios amigos. Bye-bye.